Hi, I'm Tom Riccobono, instructor of low brass at the Interlochen Arts Academy, and today I'll be talking about how to work on the high register on the trombone. Now, I like to take advantage of two elements, which are across the grain playing and the glissando. Across the grain playing just means playing the same pitch in three different positions with the instrument getting larger, which helps you maintain the embouchure. And then the glissando shortens the instrument, increasing the pressure, which helps you to get up into the higher register with the correct technique. Now, there's three essential elements for working on the upper register. The first is your embouchure. You want to have firm corners and a flat chin, and essentially the corners are what controls the aperture, and you want the aperture to become smaller, kind of like the shutter on a camera. The second element is air support, and you want to support from down low in your body and also just under the ribs to create musculature to create that high air pressure. And then the final element is the tongue arch. You want your tongue to be an O syllable in the lower register and then an E syllable in the upper register, and that also helps increase the airspeed to play in the upper register. My favorite high register exercise for the trombone is called upper register extensions, and these are written by John Marcellus at the Eastman School of Music. I like to add a drone just to make sure that I'm not going sharp or increasing the tongue arch too much. I'm going to put on a G drone, and then I like to put on a metronome so I don't speed up. So here's the G major portion of the upper register extensions by John Marcellus. And one other exercise that I like to do every day are rips. And this is another way to increase the embouchure efficiency and the tongue arch. And it's just simply moving an octave, getting the partials along the way. I hope you enjoyed these exercises and they help you in your high register practice on the trombone. And don't forget to look into the description for the exercises and also the drones. Thank you very much for watching.